am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Today, we are going to discuss 5 important Indian foods that can help you if you have PCOD. PCOD, also known as polycystic ovary disease. It's also called as PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and it's a very common endocrine disorder among women of reproductive age. Diet plays a very important role in managing PCOD and incorporating specific superfoods which can help in reducing the symptoms and improving overall health. So here are 5 superfoods particularly beneficial for Indian women with PCOD. The first one is cinnamon, also called as dalchini. The benefits are that it regulates blood sugar to begin with. Cinnamon helps in improving insulin sensitivity, which is often impaired in PCOS patients. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation associated with PCOS. So how can you include it in your diet? Add a pinch of cinnamon powder to your morning tea or coffee. Sprinkle on oatmeal, yogurt or fruit salads, or add it to your curries, your stews or baked good, etc. That can be very beneficial for you. Next is turmeric, which is called as haldi in our language. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce systemic inflammation. It also has strong antioxidant properties that can protect cells from damage. How can you eat that? Well, I need not tell you because we include it in all our food items. Use it in cooking, especially in curries, rice dishes, etc. Prepare turmeric milk by adding a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk, or plant-based alternative if you're allergic to milk or milk products. Then next is flax seeds, also called as alsi. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for reducing inflammation and balancing hormones, a very important aspect when we talk about PCOS. It has high fiber content, helps in maintaining healthy weight and improving digestion. How can you include flax seeds? Add ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie or yogurt. Sprinkle on salads, soups or cereals. You can use it as an egg substitute in baking by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. The fourth superfood is fenugreek, also called as methi in our language. It improves insulin sensitivity in PCOS patients. Fenugreek seeds can help in maintaining blood sugar levels, and it aids in regulating hormonal imbalances that are very common in PCOS. How can you include this in your food? Soak fenugreek methi seeds overnight and consume them in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also add these seeds to curries, dals or parathas and use fenugreek powders in smoothies or herbal teas. The fifth one is green leafy vegetables. Palak, methi, sarson leaves are all included in this. They are rich in nutrients. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which are very essential for overall health. They also are low in calories, so they help in maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial for managing PCOD symptoms. How can you include this? Well, I need not say. You can add spinach, fenugreek leaves or mustard greens to salads, soups, smoothies. Use it as a base for sabzis, vegetable dishes or stir fries. You can incorporate green chutneys or parathas in almost everything that you do. I'll give you some additional tips. Have a balanced diet. Along with these superfoods, ensure a balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats and plenty of fruits and vegetables. You should also hydrate yourself well. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and help with metabolism. Exercise regularly. Incorporate physical activity to help manage weight and improve insulin sensitivity. You must essentially avoid processed foods. Limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks and high glycemic index foods to help better manage blood sugar levels. If you are a PCOS patient and you are struggling with infertility, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.